how to delete repost on X app. So let's get started. Firstly, open the app on your device. So now inside the app, let's search for the post you want to repost. Firstly, then simply tap on the icon between like and comment icon. Then you'll get to see the repost option available there, and simply tap on repost. After that, go to your profile and you will get to see that reposted post in your profile. So now tap on the same icon you tapped on while doing the repost. So tap on the same icon and you will see the option undo or delete repost. Then tap on it and it will delete your repost on X app. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.